Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and review the newly launched Truke F1 earbuds, which I bought from Amazon. So let's get started with the unboxing and finally review the product. As you can see, this is the box, and on the back side we have the features mentioned, like it is equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 and all, which you can see for yourself. Now let's check out the product itself. Inside the box, we get a pair of eartips, a Type-C data cable, the earbuds, and the charging case. The packaging seems to be quite ordinary to me. But surprisingly, this is not the case with the earbuds. The earbuds feel to be of decent quality, and the charging case also feels to have a good build quality. Here you can see the charging case does look classy, with the digital battery indicator, and is oval in shape, which makes it easy to carry in our pockets. Inside the box, we also get an instruction manual and a 1-year warranty card. The steps to connect and the touch controls can easily be understood from the manual. One thing I would like to mention is that I am editing the video after a month of using the earbuds, and I am very happy with the purchase. The battery backup is excellent, so no complaints there, and also the range is good too, but I haven't tested the gaming aspect of it, but I am quite confident that we won't have issues there. But when it comes to the data cable, it is quite ordinary, and you can judge for yourself. I bought this product for Rs 799 from Amazon. The link is given in the description. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, and see you in the next one.